Okay, well here we have all the parts needed to make a razor separator. It happens to be ABS, and I go underneath like this. Boom. This part is always a little bit difficult. Get rid of this. Okay. Okay. This one's easy because part of it is done with supports. Push it here, and voila.